Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to enable the automatic spell check feature that runs before you send an email in the new Outlook application in 2026. Now this particular step is essential to ensure that you never send a message with any kind of embarrassing typos. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open the Outlook application on your computer. Once you have done that, click on this gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you see this type of setting pop up in front of you, simply just hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of the Mail tab. In the Mail tab, by default, you will be on the layout section, but you just have to select the option of Compose and Reply. Now in the Compose and Reply, simply just scroll down a bit, and here you just have to try to find the option of the message format. So in the message format section, make sure that the option of always check before sending is turned on. While you are here, you can also look for the editor section, and here in the editor section as well, you can just simply look for the option of the editing settings. You can verify the mail toggles for spelling and grammar, and you can just simply turn them on if these are not turned on here already. Once you are done, simply close the window, and now whenever you compose any of the new mails and when you click on the option of send, Outlook will automatically pause, open the spelling and the grammar check dialog box, and give you a chance to correct any mistakes before the message is actually delivered. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.